Find Next function. This tool is useful to find next function in design. Here, you can see a design. First, we will turn on the play mode by pressing Home key. Now, if we want to find out where the jump is in the design, press Find Next function button. The machine will stop where there is a jump in the design. And we can also find jump with a shortcut key, J. If you have used a sequin in the design and want to find a jump, use the Alt+J shortcut key. Find the jump forward with the left click, and jump back with the right click. Previous jump shortcut is Alt+Shift+J.